Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been major attractions for bird watcher and ornithologists because of its rich, unique, and endemic biodiversity. There are about 21 endemic species found in Andaman Islands, and the journey to explore these endemic birds is breathtaking. Andaman Bulbul is a rather plain, rotund bulbul with a dark forehead, face, and throat. The upper parts are greenish, but note the dark olive edges to the wings and the dark tail band. The underparts and tail tips are yellow. Often silent and inconspicuous as it moves through the forest understory and lower canopy. It feeds on small fruit and berries, but will also take insects. Andaman Cuckoo-Dove is a slim, long-tailed dove with small head and legs. Rust-colored throughout with faint barring around the neck and breast. Common but inconspicuous in forests and along forest edges, where birds feed on fruits and berries. Known to feed on the ground, but usually sticks closer to the canopy. Andaman Hawk-Owl is a compact owl with brownish face and upperparts. Note the bold, rust-colored streaks running down the underparts. The vent is usually white, and the tail has bars running across it. The Andaman Hawk-Owl feeds mainly on insects. This owl has been observed hawking moths and beetles in flight. Andaman Treepie is a slender, medium-sized dark bird with a long tail. The face, wings, and tail are black, while the underparts and back are reddish-brown. Note the small white patch on the wings. Found in well-wooded habitats, where it forms small groups and mixes with other species in hunting parties. It is omnivorous. It is found in small parties following mixed species bird waves. It works its way through mid-canopy level, especially in company of Andaman drongos. Andaman flowerpecker is a tiny bird with a slim, dark, curved bill. The upperparts are olive green, and the pale underparts have a smudge of yellow on the belly. Flits about restlessly in treetops in search of fruits and flowers, usually solitary or in pairs. Hard to locate in the canopy, but its buzzy single-noted calls often give away its presence.